I'm holding on now, man. Don't let me down.
Yeah, I know, you're a snapping turtle.
That scared the shit out of me.
We're gonna be tearing this down today. Our main focus is gonna be wiring. So I'm gonna start pulling the tank off, pull the controls off, get all the cables out of the way, and start dissecting the wire harness. Hell yeah. First control off. There I go, dropping it. Okay. So this is a push-pull cable style. Magnet tray. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Ta-da. You know what? There's some kinks in this throttle cable. But, oh, it's even split here. Jeez. Yeah, it's split there. There's a pretty gnarly kink in this. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Alright, so there's our left control. You wouldn't happen to have tape, would you?
I got you.
First victim. We're gonna do.
Let me know if you need more.
Alright, thank you. Wow. My handwriting is crappy. What, the headlight wasn't even plugged in? No. No, it was, okay. Wow. Oh, geez, that's the worst. You get the socket and the back of the ratchet to extend itself too far and get jammed up against something. Yeah. And you have to tighten it back in just to loosen it back up again.
How many tools do you think I'm missing out of this set? Well, let's just say how many pieces do you think I'm missing?
Wow. Doesn't this thing scream fucking 80s?
Oh, it screams, get me out of here. Literally what it screams. How many pieces do you think I'm missing?
Oh, fuck, it looks like a lot.
We're about to find out. I'm going to put everything back where it belongs.
I'm going to say 3.
3 pieces total?
3 pieces.
Okay.
What are you going with?
Not include... Oh, fuck, because I broke the big one.
Well, you still have it.
I mean, I have
you still
it,
have it. It's not lost.
It's not lost.
It's not missing.
Alright, I'm going to... Fuck. Because I know I'm missing something. There's no way that I have everything. No way. I'm going to say anywhere from 5 to 10.
Oh, jeez.
I know what's missing.
Alright, tanks off next. 5 washers. And then a nylon lock nut.
Sounds pretty good.
Yeah, it's loose. Nope. Home welded nut under the frame. How many zip ties do you think there are on this bike right now?
And on that one, I'm gonna go with 40.
40, damn. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5 so far. 6, 7. That's weird, not just zip tied there. Really had no other purpose. So 7, there's 8. 9.
Seems promising to me.
10. 11. 12. 28. 29. Oh. 30.
31.
32. 32 so far, man. Jeez. Well, we'll take a pause on that. So far, it's 32. 32 zip ties.
Bike looks kind of cool naked like that.
I know, that's why I'm digging the clean look, you know, the bare frame kind of.
Yeah,
Just all you see is all motor.
that'd be sick. I kind of like that.
Finally!
You telling me a couple hours for that?
Couple hours worth of work.
No way.
Yeah.
No way.
I'm gonna bring that home.
No way. No way that's a couple hours.
Yeah, a couple hours, man.
Dude, do you really need to, like, time it for me? Because I don't believe it. Dude, that's 8 hours.
I'll do start stop. Dude, it's so easy with the new wire harness. You count how many wires and the lengths.
Yeah.
You cut them all, lay it down side by side to this thing.
That looks
You
like
just
the
start
most
zipping it
difficult
up.
thing in the world.
It looks complicated, but when you spread it out and lay it all out and spider it out,
Yeah.
and then you measure them all out and lay them all out, it's super easy, dude.